Jerry rushes through CRM faster than Tom can chase, leaving budget and timeline blank. Managers furious, forecasts worthless, deals lost. But AI nudges fix it. Salesforce Einstein prompts, HubSpot AI reminders, Outreach.io stop reps skipping critical fields. Pop-ups ask, "Hey Jerry, what's the budget?" Accurate fields mean accurate reports and solid predictions. Imagine McDonald's serving you without knowing if you ordered fries or nuggets. Chaos. Sales data is the same. Ever skipped a form question and regretted it later? Multiply that by 1,000. Want smart nudges baked in? Build them with Moksy.ai. It's totally free, easy to use, and no coding skills needed. Subscribe now, because Jerry shouldn't run past millions in data.